let's discuss something. Open discussion. Fume your mind. Fume your own mind. Is it okay for exes? Yes, for people date go nwe here before. Megbojeje alamonyo ọzọ. Is it okay for them to still reconnect and still have contact and still discuss or have any relationship again? Or the okay for exes to continue with their relationship even after marriage? Like keeping contact, discussing on WhatsApp, Facebook, chatting anywhere, seeing each other, you know. Is it okay? Odo ihom ne gubo nyalo mamaji ne kwini oye nugo na anabo yikoy the before. Odo ine gubo nye kele mamaro ni. Keji the contact that your ex before. Then anabo kakana kpada na phone. Is it normal? You wanna go? If it's normal, please let us know.